from the day of the January 6th attack as they try to prove their assertion that Mr. Trump incited the riot, something the former president denies. We should warn you, the video presented by House managers so far is graphic, and NBC News has edited out offensive language. House managers unveiled a searing and often graphic 13-minute video montage of the January 6th insurrection, presenting the harrowing events as they unfolded, aimed at transporting senators back to the terrifying moments as they experienced themselves. Linking Mr. Trump's remarks before the riots.
If you don't fight like hell, you're not going to have a country anymore.
With his supporters invoking his name while storming Congress. The Democrats' lead manager, Jamie Raskin, was blunt.
That's a high crime and misdemeanor. If that's not an impeachable offense, then there is no such thing.
Raskin emotional himself, breaking down while discussing his daughter Tabitha, who witnessed the attack one day after Raskin buried his son.
She said, "Dad, I don't want to come back to the Capitol."
Former President Trump's lead counsel, Bruce Castor, praising the Democrats' opening statement.
I'll be quite frank with you. We changed what we were going to do on account that we thought that the House manager's presentation was well done.
Notably contradicting his client, acknowledging President Biden won the election.
The American people just spoke, and they just changed administrations.
While pushing back on the Democrats' argument that impeachment is the right way to hold a president accountable for 11th hour conduct.
After he's out of office, you go and arrest him.
Even though Mr. Trump was impeached by the House while still in office.
This trial will tear this country apart, perhaps like we have only seen once before in our history.
Louisiana's Bill Cassidy, the only senator to change his position after hearing the presentations, delivering this stinging assessment of former President Trump's legal team.
It was disorganized, random, had nothing. They talked about many things, but they didn't talk about the issue at hand. The House managers did a much better job.
Now, three sources familiar with the matter tell NBC News President Trump was extremely displeased with his legal team's showing and is expecting more later this week. Overnight, his attorney, David Schoen, was asked on Fox News if the legal team will be more prepared moving forward, and he said he was confident they would be. Now, again, and we stress this point, Democrats would need 17 Republicans to vote with them in order to convict. And remember, on Tuesday, only 6 GOP senators agreed the proceedings were even constitutional. So the bar is very high. Savannah.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.